In this video, we're going to show how to add additional spreadsheet links into a proposal after you've generated the proposal. Normally, spreadsheet linking is done during the assembly of the document. Then you can update your spreadsheet and have the cells that were linked auto-update. But what if you've done that, but after you've finished writing the proposal and finished it, you have to add additional line items or spreadsheet links that may have been forgotten, or for whatever reason you need to add additional information into the proposal in the format of linked spreadsheet links. So we're going to illustrate this with one of our catering examples. Now we've already generated the proposal and pretty much gotten it ready. And we'll open up the spreadsheet. This is the stock example. And you can see this is our cost summary that is linked into the actual spreadsheet. So everything you see here, as we click, are actual linked cells from the spreadsheet. So if we actually updated the spreadsheet and saved it, it would auto-update into the proposal. Now for this example, we've already finished this proposal, almost gotten it ready, but say the client needs to change the items in the line items. And for this example, what we're going to do is we're going to add additional line items into the spreadsheet. And how do we get the cost summary updated? One way is just to manually type in extra items here. That would work just fine. Or we can manually copy and paste each cell and do it through Word's and Excel's normal linking system. And how we do that, we just add a line break here. We do a copy a single cell, and then we do a paste option using a paste, and that would put a link to the spreadsheet. But say if we have a whole bunch of line items or a bunch of spreadsheet cells, that could get kind of tedious. So we're going to show you how to use the Wizard's post-processing tools to auto-link in a bunch of cells in one shot. So I'll close our spreadsheet. Close our document. Okay, so I've skipped ahead here a second. Now I've inserted into our spreadsheet 3 new line items with some prices. And further down, I've added 2 additional line items in prices here. And recalculated new totals. Now, how do I get all of these new items into the document? Through the Wizard's normal linking system. Okay, so what I've done here is, if you remember, when I just showed you the previous finished cost summary, all I've done is I've typed in some text with keyboard, and these are tags, spreadsheet linking tags. Now, because there's only one spreadsheet associated with this project, I don't have to put the name of the spreadsheet into the tag. We'll illustrate that in another video. But since there's only one spreadsheet, the wizard will know exactly which spreadsheet to link in, which will be the cost summary calculator here. And I need to add 3 new line items. So our tag is R8 to 10, that's row 8 to 10. So you can see here row 8, 9, and 10 are the 3 I just added. Column 1, first column, which is A in the spreadsheet. So our wizard tags use column numbers 1 through X, and you'll just have to match those up to the letters in Excel, A, B, C. So for quantity, rows 8 through 10, column 3, A, B, C, that's 8 through 10, that's 3 is 3. Row 8 through 10, column 2, these are prices, the amount. So the wizard will expand the 8 to 10 into 3 new line items, and it will link in those 3 into this area. It'll link in these 3 into this area, and we'll link these 3 into this area. Now for the open bar, we added 2 new line items. So rows 68, 69, column 1, then column 3, column 2. So that's really all there is to it. All the other cells haven't changed. And you could add these tags anywhere in the document. Say if you just wanted to put the total price up into the cover letter, we could just put an R156 column 2. We could just put a tag up here and we'll link in the total up into the cover letter. So you can put these spreadsheet tags really anywhere in the document. So now we've got our proposal updated. We've got our new line items in the spreadsheet. So we'll just close the spreadsheet. We'll close our full proposal.docx, which is this combined proposal document. Now how do we get the wizard to actually link up everything? Okay. Now this is an expert level tool, not in the novice edition. We'll go to our document processing. Our combined proposal document, full proposal, is already highlighted. We click the merge data with tags, and this will merge all of the data tags, say first name, last name, addresses, phone numbers, any tags that you got left in the document. Say if you didn't fill in the company data or client data screens and you want to do the linking at a later time, this merge data with tags will do the spreadsheet linking and regular data tags all at once. So all we have to do is click Process Documents, and you'll always get this pop-up message. This is Word, message from Word, not from our wizard. We can just say no, and just kind of sit back, wait for it to process the document. Okay, now the process has been completed. Open our combined document. Click yes, we'll just let it update. Normally you don't have to click yes. Okay, so now that we've got our document open, we'll scroll back down to our cost summary, and you can see all of the new items have been added into the Word document. And you can do this as many times as you want. You know, that's the nice thing about these post-processing tools is you can use them to make a lot of post-processing changes to your documents. So that is all there is to adding additional Excel spreadsheet links into an existing document during your editing process. Now there are other more complex variations you can do, such as linking in whole new spreadsheets that are completely custom, and we've got other videos that will cover more elaborate types of spreadsheet linking situations. But that is all there is to the basics of relinking in new cells from a spreadsheet into your document. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and click subscribe to keep up on the latest proposal writing tips with Proposal Kit.